Living in Miami Beach comes with its own set of unique challenges, from intense heat and humidity to hurricane season. As a homeowner in this beautiful coastal area, selecting the right windows for your home is essential for maintaining comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Windows not only affect the aesthetics of your property but also play a significant role in its overall functionality. Here's a guide to help you choose the best windows for your Miami Beach home, considering the local climate, style preferences, and practical needs. Prioritize hurricane-resistant windows. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing windows for your Miami Beach home is hurricane protection. Due to Miami Beach's proximity to the Atlantic Ocean, the area is often impacted by tropical storms and hurricanes. While traditional windows may offer a bit of protection, they are no match for the force of high winds and flying debris during a storm. To ensure the safety of your home and family, invest in impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to withstand the high winds and flying debris typical of a hurricane, preventing glass breakage and water infiltration. Hurricane-rated windows are made with laminated glass, which is much stronger than regular glass, and reinforced frames that help the windows stay intact during extreme weather conditions. Installing hurricane-resistant windows not only protects your home during a storm but also offers peace of mind year-round. Consider energy efficiency. The Miami Beach's tropical climate means that air conditioning is essential during the hot summer months. With the soaring energy costs associated with cooling, choosing energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to keep your home comfortable while saving on your utility bills. Look for energy-efficient windows that feature double or triple pane glass with argon gas or other insulating gas fills between the panes. This layer of gas improves the window's insulation, helping keep the hot, humid air outside and the cool, conditioned air inside. Another important feature to consider is low emissivity glass, which reflects infrared heat while allowing visible light to pass through. Low E coatings help reduce solar heat gain, ensuring that your home stays cooler during the summer, even with the strong Miami sun. These energy-efficient windows will reduce the strain on your air conditioning system, lower your energy bills, and improve overall comfort. Choose the right material for durability. The harsh coastal environment in Miami Beach requires windows that can withstand the salty air, humidity, and occasional heavy rains. When selecting the material for your windows, opt for materials that are durable, low maintenance, and resistant to corrosion. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for Miami Beach homes because they are resistant to moisture and salt, won't warp or fade, and require minimal upkeep. They are also energy efficient and affordable, making them a great option for many homeowners. Fiberglass windows are another excellent option. They are incredibly durable, resistant to temperature fluctuations, and require little maintenance. Fiberglass frames are not affected by the salty air, making them an ideal choice for homes near the beach. Aluminum windows are also an option, but they require a thermal break to improve insulation. Without this, they may conduct heat and cold, making them less energy efficient than other materials. For homes in Miami Beach, Fiberglass and vinyl are the most durable and low-maintenance choices that stand up well to the local environment. Aesthetic appeal and design compatibility. Your windows play a significant role in your home's curb appeal and overall aesthetic. Miami Beach is known for its vibrant, tropical style, and your windows should complement that look while also blending seamlessly with the architecture of your home. If you have a modern or minimalist home, consider sleek, large windows that offer unobstructed views of the ocean and allow natural light to flood your space. Sliding windows or casement windows are excellent choices for contemporary homes. For more traditional or Mediterranean-style homes, double-hung windows or picture windows may be a better fit. These windows offer a timeless look that suits older or more classic designs. Choose window styles and finishes that match your home's existing decor, whether you're going for a modern look, a coastal aesthetic, or a more traditional style. Customizable options are available to ensure that your windows fit your home's unique personality and maximize its curb appeal. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Miami Beach is a lively area with noise from traffic, tourists, and the bustling beach. If you live near busy streets or public areas, you may want to consider windows that help reduce external noise and create a quieter, more peaceful home. Double or triple pane windows are excellent at reducing noise infiltration, especially if they are filled with soundproofing gas. Laminated glass, often used in hurricane-resistant windows, also helps block out noise. By upgrading to noise-reducing windows, you can enjoy a more tranquil indoor environment, even in a busy area. Consider window maintenance. Miami Beach's climate can be tough on materials, so it's important to select windows that are not only durable but also easy to maintain. Look for windows that require minimal upkeep, especially those with vinyl or fiberglass frames. These materials are resistant to the elements and won't rot, warp, or need frequent painting. With the right window materials, you can enjoy years of performance without worrying about constant maintenance. Conclusion: choosing the best windows for your Miami Beach home is an essential decision that impacts your home's safety, comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. By prioritizing hurricane-resistant features, energy-efficient materials, durability against coastal weather, and noise reduction, you can ensure your windows provide lasting value and comfort. Whether you're upgrading for better protection or simply enhancing your home's appearance, selecting the right windows is a smart investment for any homeowner in Miami Beach.